Like you going down the ski slopes. Right
no, I would be on my face at that point.
I'd be buried in the snow at some point. None of that around here. Unfortunately, we'd like to see some of that. This rain, though, I mean, it was heavy this morning.
Yeah, heavy. Many areas have picked up a half an inch to an inch of rain. Some spots even more than that, and that's just since the midnight hour on top of what they had in the early part of the night.
Any chance it'll get out of here for our big midnight activity?
You know what? It looks like by the time we hit midnight, most of this rain will be out of here. But before that happens, we may have some strong storms to deal with. So what's happening right now is a warm front is lifting into the area, kind of priming things ahead of a cold front that will come in a little bit later. But it does look like most of that front will be east of us by the time the clock hits midnight tonight. Here's a look at what is up for you today. A few showers out there, then showers, then going into the noontime, into the afternoon, area showers and storms moving across the Mid-South. It is going to be a windy day. Winds at times may gust up to 40 to 45 miles per hour. So keep that in mind if you still have some outdoor decorations out. Right now from Columbia since midnight, look at there, your temperature rising. You were 52 earlier, you just hit 60 a second ago. 1.22 inches of rain fall there. Here in Nashville right now, it is 54, but that temp also will rise. I've only included the rainfall data for yesterday. A bit later, I'll add the rainfall for early this morning out at Nashville International. But yesterday, with the rain coming in during the game, about 1/5 of an inch for Sunday. Now, later today, here comes the threat for some strong to severe storms on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest there. It's a level 2 risk that we'll keep an eye out for. Gusty winds are the primary concerns, but with this setup, you cannot rule out an isolated tornado. Here is a look at what is going on right now with radar for the last several hours, and you can see some of that rain right now from Nashville into southern Kentucky for us this morning, and rain over a good chunk of the bluegrass state at this hour. So exact track takes this morning rain, lifts it northward. The rain's a bit more spotty for later into the morning, and then here comes that line of rain and storms moving across the area going into the afternoon. So that line moving across the metro area in a 2 to 4 o'clock time frame, and then by 6:30 there it is over the eastern counties. But then once that main line is out of here, drying out a bit, so I can't rule out a stray shower, but at midnight look for a mostly cloudy sky and temperatures in the 50s. So for the afternoon, with this line of rain coming in, there is a Storm 5 alert for tonight, 43, tomorrow 53, and then 45 on a Wednesday.